Got a sundog right here. Huge halo. No one's paying attention. Around me. I don't mean you. I mean around me. Not one person's paying attention. They're not like looking up going, oh wow, there's a halo in the sky. Gee, I wonder why. I'm getting a little snarky and sassy. Apologize. It's just weird to me. Super freaking weird. People don't notice this at all. And then they look at me like, what is she doing? Why is she filming that? Is that funny? I think that's funny. Yeah, look at that. Another normal day in the neighborhood. Peace.